Welcome to Daddy's Story Time. Today's book is Peppa and the Big Train, created by Neville Astley and Mark Baker, published by Penguin Book Company. Today, Peppa and her friends are going on a train ride together. Hooray! They all cheered, very excited. Mr. Rabbit is the station master. He checks all the tickets. Tickets, please. Can you see Mr. Rabbit? Can you see Peppa? Can you count the tickets? Chug chug, choo choo, toot toot. Miss Rabbit is driving the train. Here comes the big train. Cheers, Peppa. All aboard, says Mr. Rabbit. Then he waves a flag and blows his whistle. Phew, phew. Can you see Miss Rabbit? Can you see Mr. Rabbit? Can you see Peppa? The doors shut, clunk, clunk, and the train leaves. Chugga, chugga. Here are your activity sheets, says Madame Gazelle. You have to spot a boat, a signal box, and a tunnel on the train ride. Can you see Madame Gazelle? Can you see Peppa? I can see some trees, gasped Peppa. Are trees on the list? Asked Emily Elephant. No, replies Peppa. I can see clouds. Cheers, Susie Sheep. Are clouds on the list? Asks Candy Cat. No, replies Susie. Can you see Susie? Can you see Candy Cat? Can you see Peppa? I can see Grandad Dog, cries Peppa. Is Grandad Dog on the list? My Grandad won't be on the list, laughs Danny Dog. But he is sailing a boat, says Rebecca Rabbit. And a boat is on the list, adds Zoe Zebra. Hooray! Everyone cheers. Can you see Grandad Dog? Can you see Rebecca Rabbit? Can you see Zoe Zebra? Can you see Peppa Pig? Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. The train rides on the track. Sing the children. Suddenly the train screeches to a halt. Quack, quack. The ducks cross the track. A signal box, cries Peppa. That's on our list. Can you see the signal box? Can you see the ducks? Oh, sighs Emily, we still haven't seen a tunnel. Just then the train goes dark. We're in a tunnel, cries Susie Sheep. Hooray, cheer all the friends. The tunnel is the last thing on their sheets. Can you see the tunnel? Can you see Peppa Pig? Can you see Miss Rabbit? Can you find the train? Last stop, cries Miss Rabbit. Everybody off. But how are we going to get home? Asks Peppa. We are home, Peppa, says Madame Gazelle. The children were so busy spotting things, they didn't even notice that the great big train had gone in a great big circle. Can you see Peppa? Can you see all her friends? Can you see Madame Gazelle? And that's the end of our story, Peppa and the Big Train. I hope you enjoyed that story. I enjoyed reading it to you. If you liked that story, don't forget to click the subscribe button, leave your comments down below, ask me what stories you would like me to read for you, and also please click the like button. I hope you enjoyed this story as much as I did. I'll see you again next time. Bye.